Hello everyone, welcome to our presentation. By the title is Leadership Function and Control Function, presented by Boy Luis and Yosi Patricia. The first leadership. What is leadership? Leadership is an ability that someone has to guide the group to achieve goals. The definition of leader in the Big Indonesian Dictionary is a person who leads. According to Stoner, leadership is a process of directing or influencing activities related to an organization or group in order to achieve certain goals. Next, personality of leadership. Have a good personality, initiative and creative thinking, honesty and integrity of character, have the ability to guide and teach, have high self-confidence. To be successful leader, a leadership must possess the qualities of foresight, drive, initiative, self-confidence, and personal integrity. Function leadership. The first, intrusive function. A leader as a decision maker and a task provider for his subordinates. Meanwhile, the subordinates are in charge of carrying out all the instruction ordered. The second, consultative function. The consultative function is two-way. Subordinates can consult the leader to find the best way to achieve common goals. The third, participation function. In this function, the leader is able to activate the participation of the participants so that they also participate and take the initiative in a project. Subordinates don't just carry out orders. The fourth, delegation function. In the delegation function, leaders are able to delegate authority to others who are in accordance with the task. The last, control function. The control function means that the leader is able to control all the activities of his subordinates in order to be effective in their duties, to achieve goals, and not get out of line.
Control function. The controlling function is the last function of the management process. This control is closely related to the planning function, and these two functions are complementary because number 1, the control function must be planned in advance. Number 2, control can only be one if there is a planning plan. Number 3, the implementation of the plan will be good if the control is done properly. Number 4 is it is known whether or not the objective is well achieved after controlling or measuring is done. Process control. Control is carried out through the following steps. Number 1. Define standard or base of control. Number 2. Measure implementation. Number 3. Comparing implementation with standard and determining deviation if any. Number 4. Take corrective action if there is a deviation so that the implementation and objective are in accordance with the plan. Type of control. Number 1. Control of production, namely to find out the quality and quantity of the product produced. Is it in accordance with the existing plan? Number 2. Financial control. This control is aimed at matters relating to finance regarding income and expense, company costs, and including budget control. and another. Process control and an effective control system. The control process is carried out in gates through the following steps. Number 1. Determine the state that will be used for the basis of control. Number 2. Measure the implementation or result that have been achieved. Number 3. Compare perform or result with standard and determine definition if any, and another. Operational control. Operational control is an activity that determines the ability of the resource to be used in fulfilling the plan, the ability of production to run as planned, and to make improvement to the plan. Information control. Controlling information system is an inseparable part of managing information system, often carrying out very important function because it observes every step in the information management process. Financial control. Financial control is an effort made so that investment, cost allocation, and profitability are carried out according to the company plan. Financial control is the step where the financial plan is implemented, which involves the feedback adjustment process needed to ensure that the plan is implemented or to change the plan exists in response to change in the operation environment. Behavior control. Management control system affect human behavior. A good management control system affect behavior in such a way that is the aligned goals, meaning that individual action taken to achieve personal goals will also help to achieve organization goals.